Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1963 Ford Thunderbird. This casting is by Matchbox and it's new for 2025. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Thunderbird out of its box, and the very first thing you will notice is the paint job. It looks really nice. And since we're on the side, let's talk about the wheels. We have seen these wheels on various different old style Matchbox, and they do look like steel wheels with hubcaps, so they kind of look good. You also got this character line or design line coming on the side with this detailed 3 slots, and you also got Thunderbird written here. I don't know if you can see it. Let's move to the front. Up front again, you've got detailed headlamp, you got a chrome grille, chrome bumper, and I think that's a Thunderbird logo on the hood. It's got some good cool design on the hood too. No mirrors though. This is on either side. Now let's move to the passenger side. Looks almost identical. Can't see any differences. I do like this design element, this small fin kind of design. Looks good. And this, I don't know, I thought it was 4-seater. Might be just 2 because of the convertible. Coming to the back, again good details. You got detailed tail lamps, and you got number plate, which I think again says Thunderbird, and chrome bumpers around. Interior is finished in white, and you also got the sunshades here. Nice. Oh yeah, it has an opening hood and does come with some nice details underneath the hood. You see, you got a lot of good details. You got the air cover, hinted, battery, and a lot of details underneath. Like, it's a really nicely detailed underhood. Looks really good. So overall, I think it's a nice looking casting. Looks really good in this paint job. It's got some good details and will definitely make a good addition to any collection. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.